Okay, so my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, learning all about English, expanding your vocabulary, learning new words, and speaking like a native Englishman. So, what is the present perfect simple? Let's find out, let's get started. So, we use it to talk about the recent past that affects the present. So things happened recently that affects now. Using have. Have. I have arrived in England. I took the plane. I have arrived now. I am here. I have arrived. I have not got any green pens or green ink. No, they don't work on here. I have not. I have not read that book you talk about. I've not read. I'm not sure which one. That one. You know the one I'm on about. That book. I have suspenders. I have a video. I have a lesson to record. I have things to do. I have been to Germany before. I have been to France before. Where have you been? Have. Yeah. But English is always more complicated. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Because we also can use it for actions that continues to happen. Things that are still happening. Things that are still happening, like I have been to Germany every year. You have been watching a lot of my videos, haven't you? They have been learning this for quite a while. They have a lot of knowledge in English. She has been walking back and to and fro the gym for about a year now. But also, let's look at this. Events that started in the past and still happening. Still happening. So James has bought breakfast. So he's bought the breakfast, and now what? She has been learning English. Learning. They have been travelling for quite a while. They have been doing it for quite a while. And they are still doing it. Yeah. It's the ing. Yeah. She has, they have, I have been teaching English for almost 2 years now. Online, that is, online. Yeah. Cool. Let's have a look at how the sentence is formed then. Let's keep going. So let's have a look then how to actually form a sentence. We have the subject, in this case I. We use then have or has, depending on the pronoun. Depending on the pronoun have or has. So in this case I have with a past participle arrived, and the rest of the sentence in Mexico. I have arrived in England. I've arrived in England. But then what's interesting is that in the past participle some of the words are different. Some words we simply add ed, the regular past participles. Ask turns into asked. Ask, please. What do I do here? I've got a question, I don't understand. Ask. Need. Need something. Need it. Need turns into needed. And asked. Asked. Talk. Talking all the time. Blah, 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 blah. Turns into talked. And want turns into wanted. Wanted. Want it. Want it. Wanted. Wanted. But then, that's the regular. Simply add ed. The irregular, not just ed. It gets a bit weird. So be. Been. Been. Be. Come turns into came. Came. Had. A have turns into had. Interesting one. Depends if you're going to use it. I have had something. Make turns into made. Made. I have made a cake. I have talked to her. I have talked to her. She has asked me the question. They have wanted to go there for a while. I have been to Gibraltar. You have learnt English. Ah, there you go, yeah. Interesting stuff. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. But it's worth understanding to avoid this specific mistake. Avoid mixing the past simple tense the verb with the past participle. Yeah, this pen is a past participle. Ooh, past its expiry date. I have seen the light. I've seen the car. Not I have saw. I have saw. No. I saw the car. I saw the light. Yeah, it happened already. But I have seen it. I have seen it. Yeah. I have seen it. Yeah, I have, yeah. You have played. You've played long enough now. Time for work. You've played too much. You have played too many games. You have plays. You have plays. Plays? Well, you plays. You have plays. No, it doesn't make sense. No. Doesn't make sense. But they walked here. They walked here from London. They walked here. They walk from here to there. No. They have walked. Not they have walked. They walk from here. They have walked from London. Not they have walked. They have walked with an ed. Not they have walked. No, they have walked. Not they have walk. Walk. Where are you going for a walk? Cool. So that's interesting. Worth understanding. We use the past participle often with the ed at the end, not the past tense version. Plays or saw. I saw the cat. Have you seen the cat? I have seen the cat. I saw the cat yesterday. I have seen the cat here before. You wouldn't say I've seen the cat here yesterday. I saw the cat yesterday. I have seen the cat before. Yeah. Cool. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. You see, we use gone and been in the language. But what do they mean? What do they mean? What do they mean? So, they talk about where something is, but have different meanings. Yeah, okay. I have not seen Tom. I've not seen Tom anywhere. I've not seen him. He's gone. He's gone to Spain. He's gone to Spain. Therefore, he is still in Spain. Where's Tom? He's gone. Tom, he's gone insane. He's still insane. He's gone insane. Still insane. And he's still in Spain. Where is James? He's gone to France. He has been to France. Now he's back. He's gone to France, and now he's come back. He's been to France. If gone is still happening, Tom's still in Spain, then James has come back from France. He's been to France. He's gone to France, and he's come back. I've been to France. I have not been to Bermuda. I've not been to Bermuda. What about the cat? Where's the cat? The cat's it's gone to the park. It's gone to the park. It's gone to the forest, I guess. It's gone to the forest. It's been to the forest. It's been for a walk. It's been for a talk. Well, not been for a talk. What kind of cat is that? It's been for a walk. Let's leave it at that. He's a weird cat. Let's leave it at that. It's been for a walk. Step away silently. Step away quietly. So, gone is still happening, and been is over. You've been there, you come back. Been there, done that. I'm going to Spain. I've gone to Spain. I have been to Spain. I've gone to Spain. I'm in Spain right now. I've been to Spain. Yeah, I was there, but not now. I am in England now. I've been to Spain. Cool. Let's keep going. Also, we can use it when we talk about something that has a definite time, a specific time, as opposed to I'm not sure when it happened. I'm not sure when, but we know precisely when it happened. So, have you been to Spain? Have you been to Spain? Have you? Yes, I visited in 2018. Yes, I visited in 2018. I have visited. Again, ed, visit, visited, and have. Oh, I visited, actually. But the present perfect is used when a particular time is not specified. When we don't know when it's happened, then we can use it. So yes, I have been to Spain many times. We don't know when, but we've been there many times. Interesting stuff. Yeah. Interesting caveat to be aware of and understand. But let's have a look more at this this tense here. Let's look at some sentences and how they differ slightly. Let's look at some more examples. Then the passive simple and the present perfect. So we use the past participle, the past tense version of it. So I saw the cat. I saw. And here I haven't seen. Referencing back to those different verbs we had earlier. Ask, asked. Walk, walked. Seen, irregular. Saw. I saw the cat. James didn't climb the mountain. He didn't climb the mountain. Steve has climbed the mountain. He has climbed Mount Fuji. He has been to Mount Fuji. He's gone there and he's come back. He's been to Mount Fuji. Jessica ate too much ice cream. She ate too much ice cream. James hasn't eaten. He hasn't eaten any ice cream. Subtle differences, yeah. I saw the cat last night on the street. I haven't seen the cat in a while. It's been a while. I've not seen the cat in a while. James didn't. What else did James didn't do? James didn't ask the question. He didn't ask the question. I didn't ask the question. Didn't ask. Steve has asked the question. James didn't go to Spain. Steve has been to Spain. Steve has gone to Spain. He's still there. Steve's gone to Spain. His flight was last night. He's gone to Spain. And then he comes back. I've been to Spain. Yeah. I haven't been to Bermuda. I haven't been. Jessica has been to Morocco. I haven't been to Bermuda. I haven't been to Morocco. Jessica has been to Morocco. Jessica has been to Bermuda. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, cool. But however, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, yeah, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads and videos. How cool is that? But for those of you that stick around to the very end, here's a bonus lesson just for you. There's some interesting discrepancies with English in America, US, and UK English. So let's look at some examples. Not for me. I ate too much. In America, I ate too much. Not for me. I've eaten too much. Interesting difference in English in the UK. I can't find my cat. I can't find my cat. Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? America. I can't find my cat. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it anywhere? I haven't seen it since yesterday. Did you see it? When did you last see it? Did you see it today? Did you see it yesterday? Did you see it yesterday? Did you see it today? I haven't seen it since yesterday. I ate too much. I've eaten too much. I've said too much. I spoke too much. Interesting differences. Interesting differences. But subtle, just cultural things. Most native speakers will understand what this is all about. They'll understand. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Did you saw it? Did you see it? They'll know. They may not realise the grammar's incorrect or a bit off, but they'll know what you mean precisely. So it's pretty cool that way. So cool. But however, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your comfort zone, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking like a native Englishman, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos. Until then, bye for now.